Hello my young friends and welcome to Obsidian Soft. Today we will finish our virtual pet game that we started in the last class, and we will make the feed button and the dance button for our virtual pet today. So let's begin. For the feeding part, when the feed button, that is this button with the apple in it, is tapped, we again need to send a message. So start on tap and we are going to send a red message, okay? And this time I'm going to make some food go down to tag, okay? So how can we do that? We are going to add a food character. So tap on the plus, and if I go down, I can choose an orange here too, but I'm going to choose the apple again and tap on the tick mark and bring the apple here. And I want it to be a bit smaller, so you know how to do that permanently. So bring it down, tap on it once and then throw it up. So now it is permanently small, okay, forever. So now it is a good size. And what happens when the game starts? We don't want the apple to be showing, so we are just going to hide it. So start on the green flag and then hide the apple, okay? And it only becomes visible when it receives the red message, because the red message comes from the feed button, and that is a signal to our apple that, okay, go to tag, okay? So from the yellow blocks, choose the receive message block, choose red here, and first of all I am going to make sure that it is on the right side of the feed button. And how can we do that? By using this go to home block from the blue motion blocks, and I'm going to then make it visible, because remember it was invisible before, it was hiding before. And then I am going to make it come down to tag. So I may have to fix it later, but what I'm going to do is that from the orange blocks, I'm going to get the repeat block and I'm going to choose 8 here, okay? And then I am going to plug inside it a move right block and a move down block. So first of all, let's see where it reaches, okay? So that we know what's going on. So, okay, I think that seems fine. So it has reached tag, and now tag can eat it, but how to tell tag that he needs to eat the apple? So for that, what I'm going to do is that first of all, I am going to hide the apple because it has gone inside tag's tummy, and then I'm going to send another message. So from the yellow blocks, send a message, and I'm going to choose blue here, okay? So I'm sending a blue message to tag, and then you can have a red cap block to tell that the script has ended here. This is not extremely important, so even if you miss putting a red cap block, it's fine, okay? Now let's go back to our tag character. Okay, and something should happen to tag when he receives the blue message, because the blue message is sent by the apple when it reaches tag. So get the start on receiving message block, and I'm going to choose blue here, okay? And when it receives the blue message, I am going to wait for not 1 second, but even for a smaller time than this. So I can actually choose 5 here, which means half a second, and then I am going to make it grow bigger, okay? Like this. But what about the yum yum sound? So let's record some sound for tag again. So tap on this sound blocks button again. Tap on the microphone. Yum, yum. And the important thing is that we can have another start on blue message block, okay? So from the yellow blocks, get another start on message block and choose blue hair. Again, wait for half a second, okay? Wait for half a second and then play your yum yum sound, okay? So now we're done with the feet part, okay? Now what about our dance button, okay? So choose the dance button here, and this also sends a message when it is tapped. So it's going to send a purple message, okay? And when tag will receive a purple message, so choose tag here, and we are kind of running out of space here, so let's make some space, okay? So when it receives a purple message, I want it to do some dance movement, okay? So let's see, you can put whatever you want here. So I am going to plug in a repeat 2 times block, and I'm going to make it hop, go left, hop again, go right, and then hop again. And it will do it 2 times, okay? And we can accompany the dance with some popping sounds. So let's do that. So again, get the start on message block, okay? And I'm going to choose purple here again, and then inside a repeat 15 times block, okay? And I'm going to put in a popping sound here, okay? So let's try out our game now. It should work now, okay? So let's try it. Okay.
I'm
Okay, so let's feed
hungry.
it.
Yum
Let's make him
yum.
dance. Okay, so this means that we can make it more, okay? Okay, so this looks good. So we are done, and our pet can dance, can eat food, and can sleep. See, it is so much fun. You can add more buttons here, such as a clean button or an exercise button, and add your own movements to tag, okay? I hope you have fun making this virtual pet game. Don't forget to like my video and tell your friends about my channel. Please subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss the other Scratch Junior games that I will teach in the future. Thank you for watching. Have a great day and goodbye.